Hi Fitness Center students, I just wanted to touch base with you on week 2 of your Fitness Center course. This week we're going to be working on activities of daily living and sit time. Remember, you have one academic assignment that is required in this course each week. So for week 2, it's activities of daily living and sit time. You'll click on that and you'll have 2 videos that you're going to focus on watching this week. They're both very short. But before you do that, we want you to estimate and record how many hours you sit a day and how long you sit at one time. Now, just be honest, it's okay. I know that with COVID and everyone kind of being quarantined, perhaps your time indoors or time sitting has been a little bit higher, which is perfectly fine. Just be honest. And then you're going to go ahead and watch the 2 videos. So one is what if, and then one is why is sitting bad for you. Then we want you to focus on reading the article 8 ways to add more movement to your day. After that, we'd just like you to answer these 3 questions that discuss the articles and the videos that you watch, kind of what you've learned so far. So make sure you submit that into Canvas, and again, make sure you pay attention to the due date. That is a required assignment, so you must complete that in order to stay in the course. And then you're also just going to be working on your week 2 module and your activity quizzes. So please make sure with your activity quizzes that you are paying attention. You can do anywhere between a 30 and 60-minute workout, and please feel free to use the resources that we gave you. You absolutely can do anything that you have been doing on your own. I know a lot of you have been going out for hikes and going out for walks, things like that. That's perfectly fine. But here are some other ways and other options for you to kind of increase your exercise level. Okay. Also, make sure that you are submitting that required assignment or that requirement with the assignment, which is that accountability piece. So either a short little time-lapse video, a little selfie picture of you completing your workout, a picture of your Fitbit, or other activity tracker that you may be using. So all of those are great options on ways to add that accountability piece. If you're having any issues with the accountability piece, please contact me. Again, I'll be happy to assist you and help you with that. Okay, so good luck this week. Remember, make sure that you are getting your activity in. We recommend anywhere between 3 and 4 hours a week for this course. So you are going to want to do that 1 required assignment and then at least 2, if not 3, of the activity quizzes this week. If you have any questions, let me know, but have a great second week of class, and I'll see you all soon.